Hi everyone. In this section we will learn about some important date and time related functions. Majorly there are two types of important functions. One is where you will be finding out the current date or time, and the second type of function is where you are finding out the difference between two dates or difference between two times, or you are taking out a particular part of that date or a time. That is, you are finding out the month or the year only or the minutes only from the time. So segregating that individual parts from the whole date time is something useful. So let us start with finding out the current date and time. For that we have three functions. One is current date, second is current time, third is current timestamp. Current date will give you only date in the YYYMMDD format. This is the same format in which we inserted our data into our tables. So it will give you current date in this format. Then is current time. It will give you the local time in hour, minute, in seconds. After a decimal point, you'll get further fractions of the seconds also. After that, it will be mentioned the time zone from the GMT, from the Greenwich Meridian time zone. So if you are in India, it will be 5.5 hours plus. Third is the current timestamp, which includes both date and time with the time zone. So as an example, we will be running select current date, select current time, select current timestamp. Where this will be useful? Suppose you have an order table in which every day you get new orders. Whenever you are inserting the details of that order into your table, in one of the columns you can store the current date also, so that each order has the order date stored in it. Another way of using current date is if you want to find out age of a person. So if you have birth date of a person, you would like to find the difference between the current date and the birth date. We'll see how to do that, but you'll need current date also in that case. So let us go and write these statements to see the current date and current time. So select current date, comma, current time, comma, current time bracket 1. So this parameter is the precision parameter. You'll see the difference between these current time so that we'll understand what this parameter signifies. And last is current timestamp. Current time stamp. That's it. Let us run this. So you can see current date is 27th December 2018. The current time is 2:26:27 seconds, and after that there are several parts, several fractions of that second also, and after that is mentioned the time zone from GMT. Next, if you see the current time with precision parameter set at 1, you'll see the fraction of second is given at 1 decimal point only. That is what we specified. 1 means after the decimal we need only one character, all the other characters will be 0. If you mention 3, you'll get 3 characters, all the other characters will become 0. Last is the timestamp, where you can see both the date and the time, and you can see that the date and time is same as in the timestamp.